some chance, and today we're going to make a test of the 10 liters of liquid packaging. Normally we do the 3 liters package test, draw from 1.8 meters, but for 10 liters package it's too heavy, so we make a low height. We drop from the about 0.8 meters. Now let's test it.
The first time, the second time.
The second time.
Okay. The third time.
The third time.
Very strong. And take a close look.
Yeah, it looks very strong.
No link and no damage at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, very good quality. Yeah, reliable package. Okay, thanks.